Dude, you will never believe what happened yesterday.
Oh, yes, I will. Hit me.
These dudes with monkey masks on strapped the bomb to my chest, and now I have to rob a bank or I blow up.
Dude. A bomb. We have to call the police.
No, what we need to do is get this bomb off of me.
Wait. That bomb is in my restaurant. If the union finds out about you, I'm dead. All of my awards and achievement, dreams, hopes, gone.
No, dude, you've got it all wrong. I was going to go to my other friend's school for help.
What? You were going to go to a school filled with little children?
But I didn't, so it's okay. You just have to help me.
Okay, fine. What do you want?
Oh, yeah. I just swung by to say hi, since this thing is gonna blow in 10 seconds.
Run. He is gonna blow.
Hi,